Hey everybody, I wanted to take a few minutes here to put together a quick video to explain what I have many clients that call me. They want to know the answer to the question. They say, okay, I've been arrested, now I'm out of jail. What should I expect are the next steps after my arrest? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the procedure of what to expect if you've been arrested in Tarrant County, Dallas County area, and now you're waiting to see what the next steps are. Now I want to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel right below here. There's more great content just like this that we can provide you for absolutely free. But the goal here today is to give you a quick rundown so that you don't have anxiety about what to expect now that you've processed your warrant, what's going to happen in the future. By the way, if you do have a case in Tarrant County or the Dallas County area, don't hesitate to call the Hampton Law Firm at 817-877-5200 if you would like us to give you a free case analysis and answer your specific questions. Now, people ask, well, what if I haven't hired a lawyer yet? What if I haven't heard any correspondence from the court? I'm getting nervous here. What should I expect is going to take place? What am I going to do if I have to go to court by myself? So let's jump right into this and I'll answer the question. You got out of jail, right? Maybe there was a warrant that went out for your arrest. You've now gotten out of jail. What happens after your arrest? Let me talk about the case filing process. Once someone has been arrested for an offense, what will happen next is the detective for your case will forward your case file up to a division of the district attorney's office called the intake division. The intake division is nothing more than a part of the district attorney's office that decides to accept or reject a case and exactly how a case should be filed. Now, if you do happen to hire an attorney, I think it's important an attorney can get involved in that process and may be able to potentially get in touch with the intake division and try to take a look at what that evidence is, or maybe have some influence in how the case is either filed, or maybe the case could be rejected in total early in the game. So one of the things that people say, well, if I have to go to court, let's say it gets filed, right? If I have to go to court, what should I expect? Am I going to have to say anything? First of all, I want you to understand the courts of Dallas and Tarrant County are a little different, but both of them move extremely slow, okay? The courts move extremely slow. We are usually able to get our clients excused from the very first court date. Although in Tarrant County, attendance at criminal courts, at criminal settings are mandatory. Dallas is a little different. You don't always have to be there for every setting in Dallas. But in Tarrant County, you are required to have to be in court for every court setting. That being said, you will not have to say anything. If you hired a good attorney, your attorney is going to do all the talking for you. All you will have to do is get there, be early, be on time, check in with the bailiff, walk up and speak to the man in the police uniform at your respective court, let them know you are present, and then take a seat in the gallery area waiting for the roll to be called. And you raise your hand saying, I'm here, and then your attorney can do the rest of the work for you. Now, some quick basics about court. And I know it sounds strange that I would have to say this, but it astounds me how many people show up to court and they don't follow these simple rules. Number one, always dress nice for court. Always dress nice for court. You want to make a good impression. The attorney or the prosecutor and the judge, they're sizing you up. Always dress nice for court. Number two, also make sure you're a little early. People sometimes will get there trying to be right on time, and then they find out the parking situation is always a disaster in downtown, no matter what city you're in, especially if it's Dallas or Fort Worth. But it's going to take you a little time. Get there about 30 minutes early. Make sure you get enough time to get to your court about 15 minutes ahead of time and go ahead and check in, because you never know when there's going to be issues with parking. Okay, now I promised you that if you watch this video to the very end, that I would give you a free resource, a free ebook, what to do if you are charged with a crime in Texas. All I need you to do is to click this, click the link right here below, and it'll take you directly to a page where we can email you that free resource. And once again, if you need any assistance from us, if you have any questions for the Hampton Law Firm, don't hesitate to call us at 817-877-5200. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and thanks for tuning in.